What is up, YouTube? Mark Cakes coming at you with another video. I've been waiting for this exact moment to make this video because I've probably got only 4 questions. I'm not gonna act like people have been blowing my phone up, but people still message me on Instagram looking for legit checks. And this is kind of been the most common questions. And it's always about the box. The box just throws people off, and for valid reason. Yeah. Let's take a look. So I just got this shoe in. It's the Yeezy 350. It's actually the Oreo colorway. And it comes with the China box label. So with the China box label, you get that. The normal box label that we're all used to, the US and the UK version, you get that. But this is a real box label, and it is a real Yeezy. You get this long thing on the side. Obviously, there's nothing on the US version. You get this long, like, obviously, I don't know how to read that. But it is a real, Yeezy. You'll see this label from Yeezy Supply, and honestly, every time I've ordered off of GOAT recently, which I do not recommend, and I only don't recommend, is because they will randomly decide to ship your shoe from Hong Kong, and it'll take 4 weeks. So yeah, that's my only beef. But yeah, it's a real Yeezy. It comes in the China box label. It's just something, I don't know. When you buy shoes from Yeezy Supply, sometimes GOAT will ship you one, but it is a real box label. So yeah. Just for anybody still looking around for what's this box label, anybody new to Yeezy, gonna buy some soon and maybe off one of these random sites, they might ship you the China box label. It is real, so be on the lookout, I guess. Catch you on the next one.